Hey guys, Lightning FPV here today, and today we will be reviewing the FXT Black Night video transmitter. So as we open the box, you will see we get our manual, then we get the video transmitter itself with an mmcx connector. It has two buttons to change the channels, has a range of up to 37 channels with a maximum of 400 milliwatt output. The VTX also has its own OSD, and it comes with this control board to control that, and you can also control your camera's OSD through the VTX with the cable when you hook it up. With this cable here, if you hook it up, you can actually use this OSD control board to control both OSDs, the one on the video transmitter and on your camera. This cable is designed to go plug right into the VTX, and then to your FXT Venus Pro or the other FXT cameras, and you hook up your power input there from 7 to 24 volts. And then you have this cable, which I'm not sure is for, and you also get a pigtail adapter from mmcx to SMA. And then next, let's take a look at what the OSD is like. Hey guys, so we're back and we have the monitor set up and we've got power to the video transmitter. So on startup, it shows the FXT logo, or it says FXT technology and the firmware version. It shows how long it's been powered on for. It shows your channel and your power output, and you can get your call sign, and it shows your battery voltage. To adjust your sensors or your OSD, you press the middle button on the control chip, or if you go and press this button here on the video transmitter and you hold it down for 2 seconds, it'll put you into the menu. But to navigate the menu, we will use the control stick. To adjust your channel, you go over to channel, you press the middle button, it'll allow you to select, and you can adjust by pressing the buttons up or down. And then you want to go to the next one, you do the same thing, but you hit the arrow to the channel to the next selection, and if you can hit enter, then to save that. Then to change the power output, you press enter, then you can do pit mode, inhibit, which I'm not sure what that does, 400 milliwatts, 200 milliwatts, or 25 milliwatts. So I'll have to explore what inhibit means, but you can get pit, inhibit, or 400, 200, or 25. I'm going to keep it on 25 for now. Then you hit enter to exit. Then frequency, you can adjust what frequencies you like. It's sort of like a quick channel change. So say you can set up a set of channels, like say you're going to a big race and you might need to switch to different channels. You can set them up and then just change them quickly through the control by getting to that. Then to adjust your call sign, you go down, you enter, and you can do the up arrows. So let's put in my call sign. Alright, so now we're done with that. Then you can adjust your voltage calibration. So far, that's what that battery is at around. And then you can adjust your OSD on where it should go by pressing those to adjust it to either side. And then you can go back to, you can go to vertical and make it go down by pressing up, or up by pressing down. And then when you're done, exit out of that, then you can adjust your screens by adjusting your OSD, you can turn on or off systems that you don't like, and then you can also adjust their position so it's best for you. Then you can do that with all the different things, such as showing your call sign, your timer, your frequency, your voltage, your power, and then you can turn your OSD on or off through there, and then you can set your alarm to whatever voltage you want to be notified at, and then you can do a factory reset or exit. And so this is what we're at. So far, with it just sitting here on 25 milliwatts, the VTX isn't getting that hot. It's a little bit warm, but it's not that bad. It does have an onboard microphone. To also change the channel. Whoops, camera fell. To change the channels, all you do is you can hold this button down to adjust what your channel is, and it does that by showing what you do, or you can also hold it down to adjust your power output to 200 and then 400. I'll show you on the screen. I'm gonna put that. Okay, that's pit, and then I guess that was inhibit, or I guess it turns it off completely for if you're at a race, I guess. Then change it to 25. And so I'm going to keep that at 25, and that's the OSD part of it. And to know which channel you're on, it shows you with this guide right there by showing with the LEDs on the video transmitter right there. If that will stay in focus. But you can see it from there. So that's how you adjust the power and function this video transmitter. And thank you for watching. I'll upload the real testing comparing it to other video transmitters later this week. So thank you for watching, and see you later.